Got Aidan's GT3MR here. We're gonna be shooting this after the event. It's fucking sick. Damn, looks so good, dude.
So once you have all the shoots in and then doing the editing, it's like what, 2 weeks out? 2 weeks out?
It varies, but the goal is to get it before We Fest San Jose. Because we launch a collection. That's in July, I think.
Oh.
July, yeah. So we should be able to get that film out.
Yeah.
And the thing is, it's like we're trying to bring this shit up to, instead of like one film a year, we want to do like 4.
There's still traffic?
Yeah.
Because a lot of them
It's
are
increased by 10 minutes.
fans already.
What
Yeah.
the? Why though? That's so weird.
And I'm not the
I feel like it's lying to you or something, dude.
And then if
He
I like what
sure
we
is,
got,
yeah.
and it's might be a chance I'm gonna climb from the front seat to the back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get footage of you back here getting the rollers.
Well, who's gonna be back here? Raph, no? Or who? Or whoever,
Between
whoever, right?
You two, right? Yeah. Oh, you already fucking have that. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna use this to like,
Yeah.
or
Yeah,
I don't know,
anything
Raph,
might-
whoever's back here can wear it,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah,
Yes, this is for at the right spot.
Jesus Christ.
God damn.
Jesus Christ. David loves those spam stories. I'm like, bro, people tap out of that shit. Eric, go ahead and
Yep. Where's he at?
right over there.
Oh. I'm ready. I'm ready. Huh?
Point it down.
Is it pointing down?
You gotta point it down, like.
More down? I know, right?
Everything good, Eric?
Yep. I'm just gonna start setting up. Yeah, that'll be better.
And then right now, also, there's a real real tough. Hoping no traffic.
Want to do like a downshift? We do a downshift and then like kind of gun it. Let's get an upshift.
We all good to go? Alright, it's all great.
I need to put the harness on real quick.
Oh, okay.
You wanna? Are you able to shorten it a little bit? This? Yeah.
Let me see.
From here, I think it's from here.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, let me calibrate this real quick.
And then you're at 5,500 for.
Let me check.
And then, oh yeah, you are 24.
Yeah, 24. Just let this shit.
And exposure keeper on like 1.7.
It's at 2.0 right now. 1.7. Steady shot off, right?
Yeah, steady shut off. So it's keep exposure around like 1.3 to 1.7.
Okay, cool.
Because I feel like there's more cops. Like,
Probably, yeah, huh?
But you can get that open after you close it, right?
Can I?
oh shit. So you can't
No.
close it all the way.
No.
You have to just hold
Just
it.
hold it.
Yeah. Oh fuck. So
There's really nowhere? What if you get kidnapped?
I know, right? There's gotta be like...
Eric,
I mean, technically, wait, actually, no.
I need
Because
you to hold on to
Yeah, I'll just hold it and like not close it though. Damn, that thing is loud. Yeah, I know. Hey, these things work really good though.
Yeah. This is the first time we're using it
Yeah.
on a shoot.
I just hope it doesn't fall off me, dude. I really don't.
I know, right?
Does it look?
Yeah.
Does it feel
If
loose
it-
on your head?
Nah, it feels pretty secure to be honest.
Alright.
Well, I mean the wind's not gonna be hitting me, so I should be alright.
If I'm wearing it, there's a chance.
If you feel like it's gonna fall off, even if you're in the
I'll let you know.
we'll
I
tape
doubt
your-
it though.
Yeah, we'll tape your head up.
Tape my head up.
Yeah, I'll tape your head up. I'll gladly do it.
I know, right?
Let me see that.
Huh?
I want to hear it. You wanna hear
It sounds good, dude.
It sounds
Just
pretty
wait till
good.
he gets on it, dude. Oh my god.
I hear the brakes through this.
I think it's good. Yeah, it should be fine.
It's up here. That.
You want me to open it for him?
Yeah, can you open it for him? I don't feel like dying. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, probably, yeah, because I'm hanging out. Wait, actually, wait. Yeah, I'm like sticking out a good amount, so yeah.
I'm gonna wrap this here so you have an extra.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, that feels really good.
My videos are kind of shit.
Yeah, because we need to figure out a solution for RAF, because RAF is having a hard time.
Yeah, it's hard out of the window, dude.
Yeah.
Like on the E46, it was pretty hard to
I
like.
can do details out of here, no problem.
Yeah, details.
Yeah, details are easy. Yeah.
So
Let me see.
When we were trying to do side to side, that's what I was trying to get RAF to get. But by that time, I think his gimbal was acting up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We need to get that side shot still.
yeah, we still have to get the side shot for sure.
That area where I was trying to do is pretty good for that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the sun's covered.
Let's just park somewhere.
And dude, actually no, because if we're on this side, the sun bounces off AJ's car and it hits Aidan's car. You see like that stuff? Like
Yeah.
over there? Wait, let me back up.
Okay, so this next run, we're gonna be facing the other way. It might be smarter for depend on RAF to get the side shot and the side details, and then when we loop back, it's back on Eric because RAF is having too many issues with shooting on this side. So let's prep RAF for the other side.
Alright, day number 2, shooting Aidan's GT3MR. It's absolutely dope. Sick. Shit's badass. It's like a fucking, looks like a little spaceship. My arm is getting sore already, dude. This arm gets so sore. I don't know why. You know why? That's why. Just playing, oh, just playing. Huh?
Holding up the gimbal.
Woo! Alright, check out this one. Where's that? Bro, this is so clean.
Oh, that looks sick. I love that.
Top Gun Maverick.
Top Gun Maverick, bro.
How you feeling, man? Nervous. Let's not fuck it up. How you feeling?
Great.
Yeah?
Actually, yeah, for sure. This is beautiful and exciting.
I know, right?
I'm ready to make
A little
some-
LA trip.
the best out of an LA trip.
Behind us?
No, in front of us. There are literally two of them right there. So we're gonna have to pass that point.
Yeah.
Fly past them or land?
No,
I say just land.
land it.
Yeah, land it.
Land it. We're gonna pass them, and then we'll continue on the next stop.
Go for it. Whenever you're ready. Our car shadow's in the way. Yeah, I can't do anything about it. I am. Got it. Come closer, Aidan. There's a car behind us. Car behind us. Yeah, he's in the shot. he's in the shot, so. Coming hot, Aidan, coming hot. So we just pulled up to the last location here, the very end.
God, Aidan, your car looks so good.
It does. It looks really good.
Oh my god.
Try restarting everything. And if that doesn't work, then we're gonna have to figure this out.
If this doesn't work, have them start with flybys while I figure it out.
Okay.
I mean, we could do one for the meantime, at least.